Hey Bob, the Olympics are starting on Friday. Oh boy, the tension is just unbearable.
Never.
Are you going to watch the opening ceremony with me?
Maybe.
Oh, come on Bob, where's your pride deep inside?
I just lost it.
I think Great Britain will win the most gold medals.
No, Bill. We have to be realistic in situations like this. The Americans and Chinese are better rounded than us.
Terry's chocolate orange?
Oh, Bill. Everything on your mind seems food-orientated.
Speaking of Oriental cuisine, Chinese food is just magnifique.
Bill, why are you speaking French again?
Ich find du sehr doof, aber du ist mein Freund, so ich bin sehr freundlich du bist.
I can't stand it when you are like this.
You still stood up, right?
Naturally, yes, but I was referring in merely a metaphysical, mystical, metaphorical sense.
Sorry, but I was never any good at English at school. I was more the artistic and sporty. The academic stuff was right up your street.
Haha, very funny. Well, I happen to have a natural philosophical gift.
Hey, I've just had an idea.
Do endorse me if you must.
Why don't we start our very own educational series? I can be responsible for what I'm good at and you can look after the more academic subjects.
Bill, that's the best thing I have ever heard you say.